Dash is on, and the theme was sacrifices must be made. Stop. It was Saturday, the 1st of December, and I had absolutely no idea which game to make. And yes, welcome to this episode of making of my Game Jam game for Ludum Dash. Here you can already see the trailer for Domino Dash. This is the result of this time's Ludum Dash, and it took me a very long and hard way to create this, because in the beginning I had absolutely no idea which game to make. I just typed in the title into the Google image search and I didn't even know how to write it, and the result was absolutely crap. I had no idea, and just 5 minutes before I thought, maybe I do not participate this time, I came up with this domino idea. So I started right away and modeled a room which should look like a children's room, but in the end it looks like an empty room. And then I got this first prototype done, and it looked pretty cool, and I thought, okay, I just have to make it fun. So I created some assets, for example this Mickey Mouse like hand, and this hand should tip the first brick and start the chain reaction. The goal of the game, or the goal of the level, is to tip every king over, and to indicate a king I created a really beautiful crown, and this crown is attached on top of the king bricks so that you know, okay, these bricks are king bricks. And with that I created my first blog post on the Ludum Dash page, and this was the first video I posted, and I got 12 likes, which was pretty good. And then I remembered, oh, there was this film with these cooling towers. They chilled, and as soon as they detonate, they raise their hands, they are raving, and it looks really stupid. Look at this, it's almost like the dominoes. So I started to create a face for my dominoes, attached it to it, make some animation, some blink animation for example, and then I started to create some hands, and then I animated the hands. For example, they rave if they tip over a little bit, or they have a dead face as soon as they lay on the ground, and if they're just standing and idling around, they do some funny things. After that I created the sound. Basically it's just me screaming into the microphone and pitching it very high. And I juiced the complete theme up by adding a camera shake and some white frames. And here you see some particle effect, because it should explode as soon as the king dies, and this was one of the best things I did. And of course I had to make a main menu and all the coding part. In the end I have to say that I really hated the theme. But hey, I did it! A game in 48 hours, and it's playable. I put you the link down into the description. It's a browser game, so it's just a click away. And as always, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and maybe write in the comments what do you think about this game.